So friends, now we'll see few more of it. For example, if I have a chlorine here and a bromo here, chloro here and a bromo here. So what will be the name? I told you this is the longest chain and there is no double bond or no triple bond. So I will give preference to the bromine because alphabetically B comes, then C comes. So I will give the preference to the bromine. So what will happen? Bromine is attached here. So I will start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I started from here, it would get 1, 2, 3, 4. It would, from here it is 1, 2, 3. Bromine, B comes first alphabetically, then C. So it should have the lowest position. So what will be the name of this? It will be the 3-bromo 5-chloro 1, 2, 3. So this hex and all carbon atom got single bond. So in. So this will be the name 3-bromo 5-chloro hexane. This will be the name of this compound. So here we are seeing that chlorine and bromine are attached. So preference will be given to the bromo as the lowest position. So let's see furthermore. If this is, and we are having suppose double bond here, and we are having a suppose chlorine here. So I told you first position, first preference will be given to the longest chain. This is the longest chain. And then the preference will be given to the double bond. First is triple bond, then is double bond, then is single bond. First is, so here we have got single bond and double bond. So preference will be given to the double bond for the lowest position. So we have to number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the double bond is at 2 and chlorine is attached at 4. So what will be the name of it? 4-chloro. It is the 6 hex 2 ene. 4-chloro hex 2 ene. 4-chloro, chloro at the 4, hex 6 carbon atoms. 2 is for the second position. What? Ene, there is a double bond. So this is the name of the compound. For this compound, the name is this. So let's see for a few more. So I am trying out all options with you. So let's see if there is a carbon chain like this. Here is a carbon chain and then suppose we have got here chloro and suppose an OH. So as many things as possible attached. So let me see now the name starts. So this is the longest chain. So this is chloro. Let me draw it. Chloro, longest chain. And I told you the preference will now be given first to the longest chain, then to the functional group. So this is the functional group. So I will start numbering from here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will the name become? It will be now, see this is one carbon, that means it is CH3 attached here. So we will give the preference to, this is chloro, this is CH3. So first I will write 2-chloro 3-methyl, because this is one C means methyl, 2C means ethyl. I told you 3-chloro, 2-chloro, 3-methyl, and then it's 5. So pent, all carbon atoms single, so R, and functional group is alcohol, so nol. So this is the name. 3-chloro, 2-chloro, 3-methyl pentanol. 2-chloro, 3-methyl pentanol is the name of this compound. Okay. So let's see one more. We have got now, suppose let us start with a triple bond. Let us start with a triple bond. So let's give here a bromo, and let's see what is the name coming out to be. So if I see this, we are seeing that this is the longest chain, and there is a bromo hanging and a triple bond hanging. So obviously the rule says first is longest chain, there is the functional group, no functional group attached, no alcohol, no ketone, no aldehyde, no oic acid, nothing is hanging. So the preference first is the longest chain, then is the functional group, and then is the triple bond or double bond or single bond, and then is the hanging. So we will give preference to the triple bond here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the name? The name will be, it is 4-bromo, and there are 5, so pent, and the triple bond is in the second position, so 2, so it is ine. Okay, just go through it. So it is 4-bromo, pent 2, ine. Clear? So you have to just remember the names of the carbon atoms, functional groups, longest chain, all this. Let's see a few more. So let's see here as many things as possible. Let's see. Okay, so now let's see. So the longest chain possible, this is the longest chain possible because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon atoms, and this is 3 and 3, 6. So this is definitely not the longest chain. So this is the longest chain. And who are attached? Here is 2 carbon atoms attached, and here is a single carbon atom attached. 2 carbon atoms, I told you, will be ethyl. 1 carbon atom is always methyl. So longest chain chosen, there is methyl, there is ethyl. So alphabetically, who will be given the preference? Ethyl. So I have to see that this gets the lowest position. Numbering, it will get the lowest position. So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, ethyl is in the 4th position. And if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the preference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this side, ethyl is in the 4th position, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will become the 5th position. So which we will not take. So now let us give the numbering to it, name to it. It will be 3-methyl, 4-ethyl, and there are 8 carbon atoms, so oct. All carbon atoms have single bond, so N. So this is the name. 3-methyl, 4-ethyl, oct-ane. So this is the name given to it. Okay. So let's see furthermore. So if this is a chain where suppose this is a double bond and here is the functional group attached. So this is an aldehyde group. As we can see that this is an aldehyde group. Aldehyde group. So what is there in this compound? In this compound, this is the longest chain. There is a double bond. There is a functional group. So what preference we'll be giving? First is the longest chain, then is the functional group. So obviously the numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the name given to this? It will be, see the double bond is in the 2nd position. So we will give it, and there are 5. So we will give it, that is pent This is a null. So pent 2 in the second position. This is aldehyde group attached. So null will come. Okay. Pent 2 in null. Pent 2 in null. So this will be the name of this. Pent 2 in, that means in the second position there is in and there is a null. Functional group is null. Okay. So few more we'll do. And here is suppose an alcohol attached. So what is the name? It's a very simple thing. Functional group will be given the lowest position 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name will be 2-butanol. 2-butanol. This will be the name of this compound. Okay. 2-butanol. Okay. So what we have learned today, that is the first preference will be given to the longest chain. Okay. First preference is to the longest chain. Second preference will be given. First is the longest chain. Longest chain. Second preference will be given to the functional group. Functional group attached. Functional group I told you. What are the functional group? Third will be given to the bonds. In the bonds, what is there? First preference is triple bond, then is double bond, then is single bond. Third will be given to you is the hanging groups. What are the hanging groups? It can be chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo, and so many. So the preference will start from here. So you have to choose you have to look for these preferences one by one. If this is not there, after the longest chain, see the bond. If this is not there, after longest chain, see who is attached. So go alphabetically. So the naming will be according to that. So I have given you a lot of names today. Go through that. I hope that will be enough. If you have any problem, what you can do is that you can send in the description again that you want a further class of this. So I will upload few more namings of this. Okay. So thank you so much. So please keep watching my videos as I am uploading every day. I'll try to upload different videos as for the requests I'm getting from my students. So please subscribe the channel. Please press the bell icon so that it can be you can get the notifications of my further classes. So thanks and thanks a lot. Okay. Keep safe. Be safe. Thank you.